We all know that the Philippines have withdrawn from the ICC, from the Rome Statute, which created the ICC, as early as March of 2019. Patagal na po yan. At hindi po natin maintindihan kung bakit hanggang ngayon ang gobyerno ng Pilipinas is still cooperating with the ICC.
Balik tayo kay Attorney Martin Delgra. Attorney, naudlo tayo yung sa issue po naman sa sinasabing meron na rong arrest warrant si Senador Bongo as per Congressman Pulong Duterte na tinatanggi naman ng taga-gobyerno na alam naman natin meron na palang pamamaraan ng ICC na pwedeng isekreto. Ano pong masasabi ninyo? Meron po ba kayong information source na meron ganitong arrest warrant na laban kay Senador Go?
May narinig po, I'm sorry, nag-echo?
Sige
Is that
po, go ahead
okay?
po, sir.
Opo. We also receive similar information as regards an ICC warrant on Senator Bongo, but there has been no confirmation until now. And that includes two others doon sa nakasamang kaso sa ICC sa kasalukuyan. But I'd like to speak about Senator Bongo. Kasi si Senator Bongo, insofar as the relevant period stated in the complaint against Mayor Rudy Duterte, during the time Mayor Rudy was mayor, si Senator Bongo was his executive assistant. Hindi po siya kasama sa plano or sa pag-execute kung ano man yung mga polisiya na nasa panahon na nasa Davao nung panahon na mayor pa si Mayor Rudy. And when Mayor Rudy became president in 2016, ganun din for a short time, he was what they call special assistant to the president. He may be privy to certain information, but definitely, given his position, he is not part of those who would take part in the deliberation on policy of government. So yun po ang nakapagtataka sa akin kung bakit isinali pa si Senator Bongo dito sa kaso na nakabinbin sa Dahig.
Opo. And dito po sa usapin naman na sakaling halimbawa kasi wala pang nilalabas din po na desisyon ang Korte Suprema po dito. Attorney, nakikita niyo pong hinog na kasi ito'y inilapit na sa Korte Suprema ninyo para po kay Senador Bato de la Rosa, this time ngayon naman kay Senador Bongo. Napapanahon na ba na maglabas talaga ng desisyon once and for all ang Korte Suprema ukol dito para hindi na muli magkaroon ng ganitong gulo gagaya po na nangyari kay dating Pangulong Duterte, kay Senador Bato de la Rosa, and this time kay Senador Bongo?
I fully agree with that observation, kasi ang makakatugon in a very clear and decisive manner on how this issue is supposed to be addressed is the Supreme Court, because the issue is now before the Supreme Court. We all know that the Philippines have withdrawn from the ICC, from the Rome Statute, which created the ICC, as early as March of 2019. Patagal na po yan. At hindi po natin maintindihan kung bakit hanggang ngayon ang gobyerno ng Pilipinas is still cooperating with the ICC. And having said that, ito yung gusto kong sabihin. Kasi ang narrative na sinasabi nila na kung may darating daw, kung tama yung nabasa ko patungkol sa statement ng DLG, susundin lang nila yung pagpapatupad ng batas kung may warrant. At the way I understand it is hindi naman nila sinusunod daw yung ICC, pero kung may request ang Interpol, gawin nila yung nararapat na cooperation with Interpol.